Okay, I'm gonna get out the back door and try to. Whoa! Oh, oh my God! Oh. Wait. Oh. Okay, I guess there's snow out here. Holy moly! This is my backyard. You're looking at a chair right there, so you can see how the snow in back of it, the drifts. And right here, that is like a pile of snow that covered my 3-foot pile of stuff. Hey, but look at that! Wow. Pretty. It was nice because I only had to shovel the right-hand side of my front walk because my neighbors very nicely shoveled the right-hand side. So I just had to shovel from like down my stairs to the sidewalk, and then the right side of my my place, and then out to the street. So that was nice. Wow, as you can see, it was like tough getting out my door because snow. Okay, see you later.